Polar bears are some of the most iconic animals in the world. With their stunning white fur and powerful build, they've captured the imaginations of people everywhere. These magnificent creatures roam the icy landscapes of the Arctic, where they are perfectly adapted to survive in one of the harshest environments on Earth. What makes polar bears so special? And why should we care about their future? First off, let's talk about their incredible adaptations. Polar bears are built to thrive in the cold. Their thick, white fur is not only a stunning sight against the snowy backdrop, but also serves as excellent insulation, keeping them warm in sub-zero temperatures. Underneath their fur, polar bears have a thick layer of fat, sometimes up to 4–5 inches deep, which provides extra insulation and helps them float in water. Their large paws act as snowshoes, allowing them to walk across the icy terrain without sinking. They are exceptional swimmers, capable of covering long distances in search of food, and their keen sense of smell allows them to detect seals from miles away. Polar bears are primarily carnivores and are superb hunters. Their diet mainly consists of seals, particularly ring and bearded seals, which they hunt by patiently waiting near breathing holes in the ice. Once a seal surfaces for air, the polar bear strikes, using its powerful paws to grab the animal. Because of the ice and snow, hunting can be difficult, so polar bears have learned to conserve energy and be patient, sometimes waiting for days for the perfect moment to catch their prey. Their skill and patience make them incredibly effective hunters in such a challenging environment. But despite their amazing adaptations, polar bears are facing a significant threat from climate change. The Arctic is warming at an alarming rate, causing the sea ice to melt earlier in the spring and freeze later in the fall. This change in the ice cycle is shrinking the polar bear's habitat, leaving them with less space to hunt for food. As the ice melts, polar bears are being forced to travel greater distances to find seals, which can lead to malnutrition and starvation. In some areas, polar bears are even coming into contact with human populations more often as they search for food. This not only puts the bears at risk, but also leads to conflicts with humans. The melting ice also means that polar bears are spending more time on land, where food is scarce. Traditionally, polar bears relied on sea ice to hunt, but as the ice disappears, they have fewer opportunities to catch seals. This has led to some polar bears becoming thinner and weaker, unable to hunt as effectively. The threat of starvation is real, and scientists are concerned that without action to slow down climate change, polar bears could face a bleak future.